uh, respected my boss, respected my friends and my brother and the People's Republic of Bangladesh. And those who are listening today. I am going to tell a political story about Bangladesh. And আমি কয়েকটি পর্বে বলেছিলাম যে একজন দান খেতে দৌড়ানো মহিলা এবং আটকুরা বাদশা শিরোনাম দিয়ে ওইটাই এর পরের অংশ পড়তেছি। A story of a big thief and devil country's conspiracy and a prime minister running around in a paddy field and a worldly lover and a witch. A king of Atkura, infertile means, and a transgender minister. On 5th May, Hasina carried but another massacre on Hifazat-e-Islam at Motijil Shapla Chattar. Has stopped the May 5th protest with killing, disappearance, torture, arrest, etc. These are results for 5 May at Motijil Shapla Chattar, the meeting on Hifazat-e-Islam, murdered and genocide by Bangladesh police. An application has been filed for registering a case against former PM Sheikh Hasina and 33 others, accusing them of carrying but a mass murder by indiscriminately firing on a rally or genocide by Hifazat-e-Islam of Shapla Chattar in Motijil on May 5, 2013. Hifazat-Islam Bangladesh emerged as a significant non-political, social or organization, non-political political social organization advocating for the rights of Muslims in response to inflammatory online remarks about Islam and its prophet, Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. BNP leaders, along with the people, were horrified watching the video footage and photos of the massive firing in operation. Numerous bodies lying strewn, heavy vehicles plowing through the bodies and taking them away on trucks. The statement said, it said that the 5 May Black Night could be compared only to the genocide of March 25 in 1971. It's a great tragedy of Bangladesh. Assalamu alaikum.